Hi there, I'm going to show you how to replace the battery in this Honda Goldwing key fob. First and foremost, you're going to need your replacement battery. This takes 12032. You can get these off Amazon. I've included a link below in the description. You're also going to need something small. It doesn't have to be a flat tip screwdriver, but something small and pointy. Okay, so right here, there's a little button. You want to press this, and this is going to eject your physical key. Take your physical key, which came out of this slot, and just put it in here and pry, and this back piece is going to come off. So you want to kind of put it in here and just give that a gentle pry. So kind of just rock that back and forth. Okay, now you have access to that, and you can use either your key right here to get the battery out or a screwdriver. Either way, remove the dead 2032. The new one goes in positive side facing up. And then you just clip these two back together, and you can test it after this is clipped right here. Make sure your red light's on. And then this goes back in here. And you're back in business. Hope that was helpful. If it was, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. Take care.